I'm Paul. In this video, we want to share our daughter Emilie's wind instrument practice routine and demonstrate how our FEURICH OLYA Evo electric piano helps her progress. While our acoustic pianos are our primary instruments, this electric piano possesses features unavailable on acoustic models that have become essential as Emilie continues to advance. While we normally play the Olya in Emilie's art studio, we can also take advantage of the tropical weather here in Thailand and play it outdoors. If we want to use the Olya for recording along with other instruments in our air-conditioned, reasonably soundproofed music room, we have a simple solution we want to demonstrate in this video. Emilie, who's almost 11, plays a number of instruments including the soprano and alto saxophone and clarinet. For a musician her age, playing wind instruments presents a specific challenge, maintaining the required airflow for an extended period. And for me, her accompanist, there's the added complication of navigating transposing instruments. This means that a note like middle C on the piano produces a different pitch when played on the saxophone or clarinet. Our recording room has limited space and it's already full with a grand and upright piano and 2 drum kits. To make a video and include the Olya keyboard, a full-size virtual drum kit and a saxophone, our solution is to remove our grand piano's action and slide the Olya into its place. This quick swap enables us to utilize the Olya's transpose features and record directly from it to the computer. This has a number of advantages we'll look at later in the video. To begin, here's a look at the keyboard swap process. It only takes a few minutes and I'll show you how we connect the cables later in the video. As you can see, there's a few centimeters spare all around the Olya to slide in comfortably. Helping Emilie practice saxophone and clarinet by playing examples of phrases and rhythms is a lot easier with the Olya than an acoustic piano. Children seem to progress faster when you can show them how a piece sounds in sections at a speed they find comfortable, not just during a lesson, but back home too. That's why, since Emilie first picked up an instrument, I've always sat next to her during practice. These are also great daddy-daughter times we have together. Now, because the saxophone and clarinet are transposing instruments, it can get tricky for me. A middle C on the piano sounds as a B flat on the clarinet, and the soprano saxophone on the alto saxophone, the same middle C sounds as an E flat. With the Olya, I can easily change the instrument sounds from piano to clarinet or saxophone, which really helps Emilie practice her new pieces. Just recently, Emilie had the idea to play Happy Birthday on her alto saxophone at a friend's party, so I found a good swing jazz arrangement for her. By pressing the plus button, I simply selected the alto saxophone sound, number 72, and transposed the music down 9 semitones. Emilie found it helpful to hear how the sheet music in straight time is interpreted with a swing rhythm. We'll play the whole piece at the end of the video. For Emilie's clarinet lessons, she's been learning all the notes from top to bottom, discovering not only the notes themselves, but also which ones are played with the right and left hands. Her teacher gave her first piece last week. To start practicing, I selected the clarinet sound, number 78, and transposed it down 2 semitones. I also found sheet music arranged for 4 clarinets so I can play along with the other voices as she gets familiar with the piece, which Emilie seems to enjoy very much. To record directly from the Olya, we prefer to plug in an instrument cable, properly known as a TS cable, which stands for tip sleeve cable, into the right and left output ports behind the Olya and into the instrument inputs of our Apogee Duet 3 audio interface. This way we can record directly from the Olya using whichever sounds we select, eliminating the need for microphones. Since we're not using acoustic recording, any accidental noises like dogs barking or the phone ringing won't be picked up. Now, here's our version of Happy Birthday. Emilie's playing the saxophone and drum parts, and yours truly is on the Olya Evo keyboard using the Grand Piano 1 sound. As our next video will feature the grand piano only, you pop the acoustic action back and are all set to go. Thanks for watching our video and good luck with all you are doing.